The Igbo race is well known for their hard work, high intelligence, and capability to survive any harsh conditions. They are predominantly found in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Centuries ago, European slave merchants discovered these rare qualities and found them irresistible. Hence, they took some of them into slavery among other Africans. However, unfortunately for the slave merchants, the Igbo slaves offered them huge resistance, stubbornness, and rebellion, most prominent of which is the mass suicide of 1803, where so many of them marched into the sea and drowned instead of living as slaves, an occurrence famously called the Igbo Landing. Today, some Igbos have taken it upon themselves to reunite the descendants of those Igbos in America and Europe with those back in the indigenous land. At the front line among them is Mrs. Ifeoma Nwadike, the Eziada Gburugburu, through her cultural platform, Ogbako Umunwanyi Worldwide Foundation.
Igbo born Umunwanyi, Eziada Ifeoma Nwadike. Umunwanyi was the founder and president of Ogbako Umunwanyi Worldwide. I don't like Igbo village. I'm another big. I educated. I know the Nordic.
From the 28th to 31st July 2022, a big Igbo festival was organized by another organization called Igbo Council of States America. And Ogbako Umunwanyi Worldwide Foundation was on ground to enrich the occasion. It was the 2022 edition of the annual Igbo Worldwide Festival of Arts, Language and Culture.
Igbo village, life and direct.
The festival was graced by Igbos all over America. And also non-Igbos, including white Americans who came to appreciate Igbo cultural heritage.
Questions. I will be here, happy to chat with you guys anymore. Enjoy the rest of your visit with us today.
Hosted by Frontier Culture Museum of Virginia. Ogbako Umunwanyi Worldwide Foundation gave a very good account of themselves in exceptional cultural displays celebrating Igbo ancestors, culture, and values.
Hello, me, but see, but Quenu. Aha. Kekwana hage. Chijendo. After like
10 years old.
10 years old. You're such a great girl. Nah. Ela hage. Kala. Emeka, so his life and direct in Igbo village. Emeka is from Anambra State.
Right.
That is the land of his ancestors.
Right.
And Anambra is a great state.
Yes.
A beautiful state with great men and women, wealthy,
Yes.
handsome, beautiful, kind-hearted, generous, united. Igbo Queen!
Igbo Queen, yes.
Igbo Queen!
Roots, roots.
So this is what my father-in-law stood for.
Great.
He was a custodian of the culture. He loved culture.
Oh yeah, baby, one. So ebe anyị nọ wee ebe e nyere maka ichete ndị nna nna anyị ha ndị bịara ala bekee n'izizi o nwee ihe dakwasara ha asị na a ga-eji ha wee mere ohu maazị kama ha ga-abụ ohu n'ala onye ọzọ kama ka ha chekwurugwe nna nna ha ha ewere gara ije wee banye n'osimiri wee rie ha ndị ahụ osimiri riri ka anyị na-echete were nọrọ na Virginia when they celebrate her as the heroes of our time. The ọnụ mana ihe agbanwecha na nwa bekee lecha ya sị ka ha nye anyị ebe a iji chete ndị nna nna anyị ha. Ebe anyị nọ taa bụ obi ọnọla anya unu ga-ahụ ekwedasi ike elee ọkpọdụ m ekwe a na-akụ ya titigbo ọ na-adasi ike na-ele anya unu ahụ ihe eji eje ete mmanya etecha nkụ ebututie ihe awụ otu ọja nke awụ ite eji aṅụ mmiri.
This now calls for the need to build an Igbo historical village in Igbo for the preservation of our artifacts and relics, including to enable effective cultural transfers from generation to generation. In remembrance of the Igbo landing that happened in 1803, a traditional memorial ceremony was observed.
This experience is coming from the ground.
Anyị bidokwa egwuwe etu anyị si eme ihe ndị Igbo be anyị o nwere onye nwe ibe chi ya bụ nne mechidike onye nwe ihe ọja bụ ọnụ ụwa nwanne m